Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. Working on the 560, of course. Let me show you what I did last week. There were some issues with the front grille too. Some of these were broken off. I had to repair them and a good clean, and then I can assemble this again. Another small job I did was repairing this. This is the shield on the back of the oil cooler. But the car I had this from had a collision, so there was a huge hole here. Well, you just do what you can. I have now made some brackets, welded it in for the support of the oil cooler. Here's the other one. So now I can install this. The oil cooler is in. Now the next assignment is to remove this tow hook. For the American version, this was added to this, so I have to grind this off, otherwise the bumper cannot connect and the lid cannot close. So let's do that. Well, we've got oil pressure with starting. So that's good. I only have a leak with the gearbox. It's the dipstick connection to the gearbox itself that's leaking. So I have to pull this out and see what I can do. And the leaking is fixed now. It now holds all the oil without leaking. And it was over there where the dipstick meets the gearbox. There's a little hex screw here, and if this plate gets a little bit bent, it starts leaking. The needle in the cluster was flat dead, so I figure it was this part. It's an oil pressure regulator or something, and it was not working at all, so I replaced that. I had some problems linking up the throttle. It didn't want to go all the way open, so more like this. So not any further. So I thought that was very strange, and it's because of this linkage here. It's this one, and it has some kind of shock absorber inside. So when there's too much tension on the throttle, this goes out and this doesn't go any further. So I know the first type over there, they made this, and it's just straight on. So I thought maybe that's better. So I made one, and now if you step on the gas, it goes all the way down like this. That's even double than what it was. So let's try this and see how it is behaving. All the remaining paint that came in today. That's nice. Now it's almost ready. I made all the connections, so that's all sorted. It's also filled with all the fluids, so I can see if it's leaking, because if it's leaking, it's no use to continue. If you enjoyed the video, press the like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next one, thank you for watching. Bye.